Hi friends, today we are discussing about the Dangal script analysis. See the Dangal film structure. What is the starting point? Starting point is establishment of Mahavir Phogat character and establishment of his goal to getting gold medal. Inciting incident. Geeta and Babita both are beats the boys. This is the incident foundation to story change. Plot point 1. By that incident, Mahavir Phogat decide to train his daughters. This is the plot point 1. Story first turning point. Midpoint. Mahavir Phogat and his daughter Geeta departures. Geeta going to national level coaching center. Next, plot point 2. This is the crisis point. Again, Mahavir Phogat taking the another decision, bold decision, that is, he has to train secretly Geeta to get gold medal. And climax. Final match between Geeta and Australia lady, very tough situation without father. Mahavir Phogat. Without Mahavir Phogat. Ending. And Geeta won the gold medal. This is the Dangal film structure. Dramatic need. This is also one of the script rule. Here we realize the dramatic need, that is the goal of hero. A hero should have a particular goal or aim or target in any movie. Though at the beginning of he may not have, but he has to be set a target. As Mahavir didn't fulfill his dream by himself to possess a gold medal, at least it may be fulfilled through his sons. But he never had a son. He was blessed with all four girl children. At that critical stage, he decided to win the medal through his daughters. Here the target changed its arrow. In his journey, Mahavir molds his daughters Geeta and Babita as wrestlers. The wonderful point here is he suffers as a father, at the same time he makes his heart as rock as the guru or coach. After many hurdles and insults of Mahavir, Geeta wins her gold medal. Setting a goal and achieving it shown in many films, as in Sholay and Lagan or Padmar, are the best examples. A film should have the quality of authenticity and believability. This is also one of the script rule. A movie should mesmerize the audience and to catch the whole attention of the audience. Here, first point is the hero character and his body language and dressing style. Second point, village backdrop. Third one is wrestlers in the titles. And fourth one, rural area wrestling competitions and the villagers' attitude. And fifth point, wrestling wing and stadium. All these are the scenes in perfection which shows authenticity and believability. Now let's move to the script rule. According to the script rule, it has to create three elements. They are sympathy, empathy, or antipathy. In this movie Dangal, normal audience will get sympathy on Mahavir as a wrestler. Family audience will travel with empathy as they see a father in Mahavir's character. At last, finally, all the audience travels along with Mahavir's goal. Here, the sympathy works more than that of empathy and antipathy. The conflict run. In this movie Dangal, there is no opposite force. Without villain, in this, the situations and characters will raise the conflict. Step 1. In the first step, conflict in between Mahavir and his wife, because uh, they are not getting the sons. In step 2, conflict in between Mahavir, Geeta, Babita, and villagers and relatives. That is the second point, second conflict point. Step 3, Mahavir struggle for money. And step 4, conflict in between Mahavir and Geeta. And step 5, conflict in between Mahavir and coach. Without villain, Mahavir's hurdles and struggles creates a personal drama conflict. This is the conflict run in the Dangal movie. This is the Dangal movie script analysis part 1.